Hello everyone, I'm back again with another video. So today's video is regarding how you can install Dev C++ in your machine, okay? So Dev C++ is basically used to write code for C or C++ languages, and also you can run the code in the Dev C++ application as well, okay? Today I'll be showing you that, like how you can download that. So first of all, let's go to the Chrome browser, and inside Chrome browser type here dev C++ download, okay, and click enter. Now here you can see this is the link you will have to go to, that is sourceforge.net. So you can click on this link. This is the link. I'll be providing it in the description box as well. It will be easier for you to download from the link directly, okay? So now once you come to this page, you'll have to click on this download button. Here you can see I'm just clicking on that, and here you can see it is saying that your download will start shortly. Wait for a few seconds, it will show up a pop-up like the location where you want to save it, okay? So I'll be saving it in this location only, or let me just change it. Let me save it over here, okay? So here you can see this is the setup file, that is .exe file. Once this exe file is downloaded, then I'll show you how you can install the application from this exe file, okay? So here you can see the file size is 48 MB. So let me wait for a few seconds, and once this is downloaded, then I'll come back and resume the video, okay? So now here you can see that exe file is downloaded. So now let's go and install it, okay? So just I'll click on this arrow and open in the folder where it is installed. So here I'll just double click on it, okay? And it will launch the installation wizard for me, okay? So after that, you will get a pop-up written something like, do you want to allow this app from an unknown publisher to make changes to your device? Simply click on yes. And after that, it will open the installation wizard. Okay. Here you can see it is basically loading the setup. So I'll just minimize everything and open this. I'll just keep this open. So here you can see this is the installer language. So it is asking which language you want to continue in. I'll keep it as it is, and then I'll click on OK. This is the Dev C++ installation wizard. So I'll simply agree to these terms and conditions over here. And here you can see these are the details, like these will be downloaded once this installation starts. Okay. Here you can see it will download the file icons, and the compiler also you can see it is GCC compiler and all the language files, and also when it will install the application, it will basically associate C and C++ files with this application. Suppose I have a file with the extension .c or .cpp, then what it will do is it will basically open that file, like the default file opener will be dev C++. Okay, that is why this is a mark you can see over here, and it will create shortcuts as well. Like after the installation is over, it will basically create shortcut on the desktop, so that is why this also check mark. And there are other options also. So here you can see it is saying that remove old configuration files. Suppose you already installed Dev C++ before, okay, and you have configured it something else. So suppose you want to remove the configuration of the old files, then you can simply click on this. It will remove the old configurations and install it new. But I do not want to do that, so I'll just keep it as it is, and then I'll click on next. Now it is asking the location, like where you want to install this application. So it will be installed, in my case you can see here it is C drive, and inside C drive there is this programs files cross 86, this folder. Inside this folder it will create a folder called dev c, like dev cpp. It will install in this folder, okay? I'm not going to change this destination. You can change that by clicking on this browse option, and it will open the file explorer for you. So here, from here you can basically change the location, but I'll just click on cancel and keep it like this only. And also you can see here like in which location you are going to download that. You need a 346 MB for that, okay? So make sure you have space in that drive, and then click on install, okay? Now here you can see the installation has started. So once this installation is completed, I'll come back and proceed with the further video. Okay. Installation is completed. You can see over here. So it is saying, like you can see over here, it is saying that run dev C++. It is tick marked. Okay, so if I just uncheck this and click on finish, then it will not run the C++ like dev C++ instantly. Okay, so I'll just keep it as it is. Like I'll keep it tick marked and then click finish. In that way, it will basically open dev C++ for you. Okay. So now you can see over here, it will show up the pop-up like the screen for dev C++. Here you can see this is the dev C++ configuration file. In this, it is asking like, do you want to change the language or any other thing? So I'll just keep it as English over here and then click on next. And after that, you can basically change the theme of your application and even the look of the UI. So you can basically choose fonts from here. These are the fonts available. So I'll just keep it as consoles only, and then you can choose color theme as well, and you can choose the icons also. Okay, I'll just keep it as it is, and then I'll click on next and then OK. This is the interface of this application you can see over here. So I'll just create a file and I'll run a C program for you and show you like how it works in this environment. Okay, so I'll just simply click on this file and then go to this new and then source file, or you can simply click on Control N and it will open a new file for you. Okay, so I'm just clicking on this. Here you can see this is the interface. Like here you can write the code. Okay, so this basically supports C and C++ programming. So you can type here C language and see how it is working. Okay, let me write a C program for you and show you. I'll just write a normal C program. So let me just write here hash include stdio.h, and then I'll write hash include conio.h, and after that I'll create the main function, and then I'll write inside that printf, and inside printf I'll write welcome to webtutsaditi. Okay, and after that I'll end this with semicolon and return 0. Okay, after you write the program here, you just need to save this. So for saving, I'll just click on Control S. It will basically take me to this like file explorer where I want to save it. So I'll save it in my desktop only, and the file extension will be C. That is because I wrote the program in C language. I'll just name the file as test.c, and if you write the code in C++, you just need to write here .cpp. Okay, like cpp you need to write like this. Okay, I'll just keep it as C and then click save. And after saving, you can simply run this code by clicking on these three icons over here. You can see the first one is for compiling. You can use F9 shortcut key to compile as well. And then the second one is for running the code. So before running, you need to compile the code. Okay. So you can basically use F10 function key also to run the code. And if you want to do like both the things at a time, like both the things at once, then you can simply use this third option, which is compile and run. You can use F11 function key as well. I'll just use this function like one by one and show it to you. So first I compiled this. You can see over here, there are no errors, no warnings, and everything is showing over here. And after compiling, you need to basically run the code by clicking on this. Okay. Here you can see it basically printed the output over here. The thing I wrote inside the printf statement, it basically printed. Okay. This is the output. Like you will see the output in the console over here. Okay. Also, you can basically increase the size of this font. Like in the console, you can increase the size. For that, click on this, like the header of over here. You can click on this. Right click over there, and there you will find this properties option. Click on that, and after that, come to this font, and you can choose the size from here. So I'm just choosing 20 here, and click OK. So now here you can see the font size increased. Okay. So you can see it is waiting for a key to continue. Okay, so if I just click on any key, it will basically stop this execution, and this like this pop-up will go away. Okay, I'm just clicking on space, and you can see the pop-up went away. Okay, also you can increase the font size of this also. So to do that, you can simply go to this Windows option, I'm sorry, you need to go to this tools option. After that, go to this editors option, and here you will find this tab called fonts, and from here you can increase the size. Okay, so let me just make it as 16. Okay, and then just click on OK. Now here you can see the font size is increased. Okay, you can do other customization as well, whatever you want. You can just go through all the options available here and set up the environment according to your choice. Okay, I hope this was clear to you, like how to install this application and run the C or C++ program in this. Okay. If you have any doubt or any question, or if you are getting any error while installing this application, please feel free to comment in the comment section, or you can reach me through email and Instagram handle as well. Surely try to help you out. And also, if you like my video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. It basically motivates me to make more such videos. I'll be back again with another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.